Okay, we're talking about common issues with young kids and pitching and their mechanics. Right now, we're going to talk about going from the set position to the balance position, which was basically from the set to the balance. All right. So, what I'm looking at here, and this is the common issue that I want to point out, is if we're looking at the axis, the head all the way to the foot, balancing front and back. Now this needs to be a consistent axis that the pitcher stays on. What happens here, as you see, when he pulls up that leg, he rocks back. What that was happening is that his bigger muscles in the back are taking over because of the lack of the strength in his hip. So that front hip, for him, he needs to do some exercises and some strengthening in that hip to allow for the isolation of the limb. So when we're talking about isolation of the limb, on the left side of the screen, you see literally no movement front, back, and forth on that axis. So that's just one thing that the coaches can look out for. Real easy to see. Just have them do some simple leg raises to see if that hip has the strength to command the entire leg. Some ways to combat that are hip exercises, hip mobility exercises that we can discuss later.